Since Roman times, helped by their wit and tools, the inhabitants of Mare Nostrum have worked the land. The need to adapt to changes in rural areas is leading farmers from Aragon and Lombardy, regions located in Spain and Italy respectively, to rethink the use of slurry as fertilizer. If properly managed, both slurry and the digestate obtained from it can provide the soil with the necessary nutrients to grow crops. All of them at a much lower cost than when using synthetic fertilizers.
Nuestros costes en la aplicación de purines empiezan a ser muy elevados y si conseguimos disminuir costes a través de la inyección en el agua con una bombita a través de fertirrigación, a nosotros nos supone una disminución de costes importante.
The use of slurry and digestate during all stages of crop growth reinforces a circular economy model in rural areas and contributes to more sustainable livestock and agricultural farming systems. However, this resource, if poorly managed, can cause serious problems both to the environment and human health. Agriculture and livestock farming production are the main contributors to the ammonia emissions. The production, storage and conventional application of slurry or digestate on crops represent a major source of emissions of these pollutants. Ammonia is a compound that, when released into the atmosphere, combines with other molecules and forms microparticles. When inhaled by humans or animals, they can cause cardiovascular and respiratory diseases and reduce life expectancy. If ammonia is deposited on the Earth's surface, it can also cause acidification problems that affect biodiversity and ecosystem health. The intense activity of the agricultural sector in Aragon and Lombardy makes these regions particularly vulnerable to this type of pollution.
Il progetto Life Arimeda vuole dare un contributo dimostrando come con alcune tecniche di filtrazione e di gestione adeguate è possibile utilizzare l'effluente d'allevamento come fertirrigazione, riducendo quindi le emissioni di ammoniaca e aumentando l'efficienza dell'azoto contenuto in questi prodotti.
The Agri-Food Research and Technology Center of Aragon and the University of Milan are working hand in hand with farmers' associations and technology companies to evaluate the use of slurry in agricultural plots through fertigation systems with low-pressure pivots and with surface and subsurface drip irrigation systems.
En el proyecto se van a utilizar las infraestructuras de riego existentes tanto en el Valle Medio del Ebro como en Lombardía y se van a desarrollar tecnologías o se van a poner a punto tecnologías que permitan la aplicación del purín en fertirriego. Esto siempre desde el punto de vista de mejorar la viabilidad de las zonas agrícolas y siendo muy conscientes de la reducción del impacto ambiental.
In order to inject slurry into the irrigation systems, firstly, it is necessary to separate the solids that can cause clogging in the installations. The project has designed and built solid-liquid separation prototypes for slurry and digestate according to the needs of the different irrigation systems used. Through these separators, a liquid fraction with maximum particle size between 150 and 250 microns is obtained for pivots, and less than 100 microns for the injection in the drip lines together with the irrigation water.
L'impiego di questa tecnologia di microfiltrazione del digestato ci consente di apportare durante l'intero ciclo culturale dei nutrienti alla pianta e di fare in modo che essa cresca in maniera continua e sempre più energica.
The monitoring and evaluation of ammonia emissions in fertigation is a key part of the project.
Per valutare le emissioni ammoniacali in campo siamo ricorsi a dei campionatori passivi, gli alpha sampler, che vengono assemblati in laboratorio con una soluzione di acido citrico e metanolo che va a imbibire il filtro e viene esposto direttamente in campo. Questa esposizione ha una durata di circa 24 ore, quindi l'intervallo di tempo è scalare man mano nella stagione in funzione del sistema che si vuole andare a monitorare, dopodiché vengono analizzati in laboratorio per ottenere la concentrazione di azoto ammoniacale che è flussato all'interno dell'areale di esposizione.
Particular attention is also paid to the risk of water pollution by nitrates. The agronomic yield, costs and environmental impact of the use of fertigation are compared with plots where traditional fertilization techniques are evaluated, using a raw slurry or digestate for base dressing and the application of synthetic fertilizer in side dressing.
Los primeros años del proyecto lo que se hace es poner a punto los sistemas y la logística y todos aquellos equipos que se necesitan para poder llevar a cabo el proyecto, y en la fase final del proyecto ya entramos en una fase de transferencia en colaboración con otros agricultores, y lo que se pretende es trasladar a nuevas instalaciones, a nuevas parcelas, a nuevos cultivos, la experiencia que se va adquiriendo en el desarrollo del proyecto.
The aim is to promote slurry as an organic fertilizer in Mediterranean areas with high farming activity, to facilitate the replacement of synthetic nitrogen fertilizers, and to develop simple and easy techniques to be implemented in the agricultural sector. In order to transfer the acquired knowledge and obtain its acceptance, the Arimeda transfer platform organizes technical conferences and acts as the main channel of dissemination. This platform brings together scientific and technical entities, technology companies, and associations of farmers and livestock in the same forum, and seeks alternatives and sustainable initiatives that respond to the demands of the agricultural sector and the society in general. We continue to work for a cleaner and more sustainable future.